Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. One of the famous food of Chhattisgarh is Chila. As we all know, Chhattisgarh is the rice bowl of India. So one of the best food of Chhattisgarh is Chila, a quick breakfast recipe. So we'll have a quick look at the list of ingredients. 4 to 5 tablespoon cooking oil, chopped onions, chopped coriander leaves, chopped chilies, 1 cup rice flour, salt as per your taste. Now in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup rice flour and salt. Add water in batches, mix them well. Add more water to make the batter of running consistency. Now we can see that the batter is thin. Now we'll add all the chopped onion, chili and coriander. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now we make a quick chutney in a mixer jar. Add 1 tomato, 2 chilies, few coriander leaves, salt and grind them coarsely. A quick and tasty chutney is ready. For chila, heat a tawa or non-stick pan. Apply some oil on the pan. Take batter in a big lad and pour it on the pan in a shape of a circle or a dosa. The pan has to be hot to get the pores on the chila. Unlike dosa, there is no spreading for chila. Now pour few drops of oil around the chila and cover with a lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Flip over the chila and cook for another half a minute. To make the next chila, again smear some oil on the pan and spread it evenly, then pour the batter and cook it. Quick and easy chila is ready. Friends, please try this quick breakfast recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.